Today the boys.
Today the boys struggle. Deadlines, car show coming. Nothing's done. Fuel lines. Jacob and I are working on the fuel lines currently. While Jacob's working on them, I'm holding this filter. Is this the 10 micron? Yeah, nice, good stuff. Does this one got any scratches on it? No? Okay.
Not yet.
So we're gonna have a little bit of a quick film before the open house, and then we'll have our monthly update. Maybe we'll try to do 2.
What?
I said, are you getting the video of my kitchen scissors?
Yeah. It's correct equipment for the job, right?
Right now I'm putting the heater hoses in, getting them locked in with the power grips made by Gates. Gives it a nice clean look instead of having hose clamps. Now I gotta put the blender valve in. I'm questioning where I want to put it.
We just tell our beautiful audience when our car show is.
I like our false.
Jacob's gonna
October 9th, 2 p.m. sharp. Be there or don't.
It's definitely not at 2 p.m. though.
That's what the flyer
10 and
says.
2.
Isn't it 2 p.m.?
10
and 2.
2.
Like a steering wheel.
The thing says 10 p.m. or 2 p.m.
10 a.m.
You know
to
what?
2 p.m.
Jake, you're gonna be there for 18 hours.
I'm gonna be there at 6 or 9 o'clock, all right? So that's gonna be the time.
Jake's gonna go polish that tip.
Where'd my filter go? I came here to go to Ace, and I got sugar in my hand.
So it's in 2 weeks, right, Jay?
Something like that. 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Great.
2 weeks.
See you then.
It'll be 10 and 2.